everyone. So we are now in Malaysia still, and we just took a flight from KL to Penang. So we're going to be spending a few days here. We used Firefly, which is more of your cheaper rate flights.
For domestics.
Or for domestic flights, and I believe it was around 50-60 bucks per person, and it took 1 hour to get here, so that was a great way to get here. Our flight was on time, but please be aware that they do change their times often. They may not notify you, so it could be a bit of a stressful situation. So I recommend have a lot of time.
For Malaysian Airlines, it's the 4th time they changed it on us without notice, and it's been, let's just say, not too much fun trying to deal with between them and Expedia, because it's back and forth. But nonetheless, we're happy that we got here now, and we're going to catch a bus instead of a grab. Take a bus, it's about an hour or so, and it's about together $5.40 ringgit.
So we will take that journey down, and then once we get to our hotel, we will introduce you to our stay in Penang.
So we are here at the Armenian Heritage Hotels. We just signed in. We are going up to our suite right now.
And we will be staying 3 nights here. This is 5?
Yep. Thanks. 523. Oh, thank you. Okay, so this is our room here. Pretty spacious. It's a king-size bed, I believe. And you have a key card for the door and one for electricity.
Hi everyone, so we are now in Penang. We are staying at the Armenian Heritage Hotel. We just arrived and we just got into our room. So the room has a great size, very spacious. So you have a workstation with some kettle and some hot drinks if needed. It has a nice full-size closet. It has a mini fridge, so if you do want to put food or drinks, you have that option. It comes with a nice size bed and a sitting area if you want. And then it comes with a nice full-size washroom with shower, toilet, or bidet, and a sink. The only thing that it does not have is a full counter, which we have to find an alternative area to put our stuff. It does come with a nice TV if you plan to stay in, but we are planning to hit the roads as we are centrally located here in Penang. We are near the small independent stores as well. There's large shopping malls close by. So just a few things to know when you're staying at the hotels here in Georgetown. I believe there is a tourism tax. So sometimes you pay that up front with the travel agents that you go with. We went with Expedia and we did not pay it. So when we arrived, it was 10 ringgits per night, as well with a $2 ringgit a night. So roughly it was 36 ringgits. We didn't mind because it's not that much when we convert it to our dollar. For a hotel room like this, which is centrally located around all the great attractions and the mall and shopping, it is around 36 Canadian a night, which would be around, I want to say $12, roughly $12-15 ringgits a night. So it's a super great deal to be centrally located. So now we're going to hit the streets of Penang, and I hope you enjoy.